OpenAI, with its generative AI models and ChatGPT, has taken the AI world by storm. Azure OpenAI brings this power to the Azure cloud. We can create our own chatbots like ChatGPT, generate text, images, translate languages while using our own data in a secured, highly available, and ethical manner. With Microsoft being one of the biggest investors in OpenAI, this Azure OpenAI platform is all set to grow rapidly. This is Bharat Reddy. I'm a software architect and best-selling instructor. This course is both for beginners as well as experienced data scientists who want to get started with Azure OpenAI. We will start this course by learning what AI and generative AI are. We will then learn what OpenAI is and how it has revolutionized the AI space with its large language models and ChatGPT. We will move on to master ChatGPT prompt engineering while working across use cases. We will understand what Azure OpenAI service is, set up a Azure OpenAI account, and learn about the pricing, quotas, and limits. We will deploy our very first text model using Azure OpenAI Studio, access that model from within the Azure OpenAI playground, test it, and you will also test it through the APIs from Postman, which is a RESTful testing tool. You will then access this model from within your Python program using the APIs. You will deploy your model as a chatbot, as a web application, so that it can be accessed by any user anywhere on the planet. You will use content filters to accomplish responsible AI. You will then move on to the image side of things, where you will use the powerful DALL-E model from within the studio to generate images, and you will also create images from within your Python program using the DALL-E API. You will learn what embeddings are, deploy the embedding models, generate embeddings, and find out similarity between words and text using the embedding models. You will then move on to the audio side of things, where you will be using the Whisper model to transcribe any audio to text and also translate from other languages to English. You will also use mix of models, where you will be using the text and audio models together. You will then move on to the advanced side of things, where you will be using your own data with the text models. In the process, you will understand how to use cognitive search to do keyword and vector-based searching. Fine-tuning is a very powerful feature where you can create your own custom models from existing models. You will learn how to use fine-tuning, see it in action both from the studio as well as from within your Python code.